Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the recorder available and granted. Open Settings and confirm microphone and storage permissions. Without them, you can't capture system audio or save files. Once done, pull down Quick Settings and locate the screen recorder tile, long press to confirm it's present. Tap the tile to begin the session. A countdown appears so you can prepare. Make sure to choose internal audio or mic depending on whether you want system sound or voiceover narration. Now you refine how the recording looks and sounds. Open the recorder settings before recording and pick resolution and frame rate. Higher values give smoother video but larger files. Choose a bitrate that balances quality and storage. If you want viewers to see taps, turn on Show Touches. Enable Facecam if you need a presenter window. Regarding audio, select internal for app sound, mic for narration, or both. Make sure to test a short clip to confirm levels are balanced. Record by tapping the tile and use the floating controls to pause or stop. You're in control. After stopping, the file saves to gallery where you can trim or apply quick edits. Export at your preferred quality and share. If the recorder won't start, reboot the phone, recheck permissions, and ensure sufficient storage. Sometimes another app blocks internal audio, so try switching audio source. Finally, update system, software if problems persist. Updates often fix record.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.